Everybody, how is everybody this morning? We're going to make a wonderful apple pie monkey bread. I've never made this before, so let's get started. You need 120-ounce can of apple pie filling, and you need to chop it up. What I did is I used my grandmother's chopper, and I just went in and I chopped it like this. A chopper of any sort, a knife or whatever, but this works really, really well. This was my Grammie's, and look at it. It's all wood. It's got like a nut at the end, right in the middle. Just wonderful. Okay, once we do that, we've got to have 3 cans of refrigerated biscuit, 7.5 ounces. So you put the apple pie filling in this one, and you cut up into bite sizes the dough in this one. Then you're going to put all your seasonings in with a pie filling. So let's get started. We need brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. White sugar, we need 1/4 of a cup of white sugar. Cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 cup of nutmeg. I like nutmeg, but you don't really want to use a lot of nutmeg because it can overpower. And flour. We're using 1 tablespoon of flour. And salt. I use pink Himalayan salt, and you want 1/4 teaspoon of that. Just like that. And then you want 2 tablespoons of melted butter. There, it's very early here this morning, so I'm trying to get my thoughts all together. Gotta go out and do some errands, so I want to get things done early. So what you want to do after that, you want to just mix it all up. Got my Grammie spoon. She's looking down on me thinking, yeah girl, this is good. Mix it all up just like that. Some good yumminess. While you're doing all this, you want to turn your oven on at 350, and this is going to bake between 40 and 50 minutes. There, that looks like it's mixed really well. And let's see, make sure we got everything done correctly here, or supposed to be correctly. Then we're going to mix the biscuit in with the apple. Down like that. And I'll show you, I just cut them up in just little pieces like that. And you're just going to mix it in. Whoops. Hard to do things with one hand. Probably you could just mix everything up and then just have it cut, but I was trying to save some time. Time seems to always be a factor lately. Everybody's busy, everybody knows what that's like. Here it's very cloudy here in Maine and very cold. We were supposed to get a frost last night, but it does not look like we did. So that's a good thing. That is a good thing. So when you put this in the oven on 350, you want to check it because every oven is different. I'm just giving it a little stir to coat it. Every oven is different, and yours could be done in 40 minutes or it could be done in 50 minutes. Again, it all depends. And then when it's all done, we're going to make glaze to put over the top. Now, I would think if you didn't want the glaze, you wouldn't have to put it. With all the cinnamon and nutmeg and all this goodness, I don't know. All depends how sweet I guess you really want it. I guess I need a lot to be sweet because Ray says sometimes I'm like a sour pickle. There, just like that. And there. This is looking really good. I was surprised. These, the biscuit cans that I got cost only 42 cents. At Walmart, so I was shocked. I thought, wow, because I'm not used to baking all this stuff prepackaged or already made. I'm so used to doing it myself. But lately I've been doing a lot of prepackaging and things made. People want to be on the go. They don't want to stay and they don't want to do things right from scratch. So I'm kind of trying to mix everything up a little. So give the people the opportunity that want to go, go. They can eat and go. And they're still getting some yummy food while they're doing it. Just like this. Now myself, I wasn't going to buy the apple pie filling. I was just going to take apples and cut it up and take some applesauce and mix it in until I got 20 ounces. But Ray said, no, Brenda, no, 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 no. Follow directions. I thought that had been okay, but he told me not to, so I listened. I don't always listen, but I did. Because not everybody's gonna have fresh apples, so that's why I didn't do it. I'm always thinking, how can you do it? How can you go to the next step? Okay, you want a bundt pan, and you want to spray it real generously. My bottom comes out of this one. It did not say what size bundt pan. I had a small one, and I had this size. My small one looked too small, and this to me looked a little big. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pour it right in. So we'll see what it's gonna come out as, because like I said, this to me looked really big, and the other one I knew was too small. Oh, got some brown sugar right there. Can't have brown sugar no more. Just blop it in. My Grammie spoon sure does come in for a lot of good things. There we have it, just like that. That does smell good. Can't beat butter. Butter, butter, butter. There. Now I'm going to put this in the oven. And this is what it's going to look like. And I'll bring you back when it's all done cooking. Okay, it's out of the oven. It's right here. And I got thinking, the bottom pan comes out, so if I invert it, I may be in problems. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. You know, like I always say, you never know what I'm going to do. But let me get something to help me along here, and we'll see if that makes a difference. It may or it may not. I do not know. We shall see. Not sure. Just kind of go around the side of the pan, just like that. I'm going to take this, put it on top. The only thing that's really going to stop me is I've got these little side clips to the pan. Well, we gotta. Woo, woo, woo. There. Boy, that was a lucky one. You just get it up here like that. Next time I won't use an inverted pan like this that the bottom comes out, because it's very hard. I wasn't thinking that was the only, I had that pan and one other one. We are going to put the toppings on this when I come back. This does look very yummy, and I'm surprised it came out so good, because I've never done this before. Like I said, it slid a little getting on the pan, but it will be all good and it will taste good. Now let me show you. Ain't no editing here, folks. Doesn't that look good? And we're going to put a confectionery sugar with cinnamon for a glaze on top. But if we put it on now, it's way too hot, so we're gonna wait. I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back from shopping. Let me get this out of the way so we're not getting it into the cake here. We're going to put the toppings on now. I have 1 cup of powdered sugar in here. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and I just measured out some milk here. 4 to 8 tablespoons. Everything will be in the description box below. Don't want to get this into anything here. Just got back. The cake is nice and cool. And I've already got the vanilla, everything in here except for the milk. And let's see. We'll just pour some in. To your consistency, if you like it thick, thin, or whatever, just put it into how you like it. Oh, yum. Here, the glaze going. The glaze is making a nice brown cinnamon look, which is really nice. I went out and did some errands while the cake cooled down. Well, I shouldn't say cake, it's the yummy monkey bread apple. You can see the chunks of apple in the house. When I came in, the house smelled so good. I'm like, Okay, put the glaze on, and then we're gonna let it set and harden up, and then I'll bring you back and I'll take a taste of it and we'll see how it tastes. Just take it like this. No rhyme or reason. Just kind of dribble it on. Just like this. Oh yeah, I think this will be great once it hardens up a little. This will be really, really good. And I think some sugar sprinkles would be good on top. There you go right there. I'm gonna grab some. Nothing like a lot of sugar for me. Cinnamon sugar, your choice. You do not have to do this. I'm doing it because I want to. There you go. Doesn't that look yummy? Once it all sets up and gets nice and hard, I'll bring back and we'll have a taste test. Yum, yum. Okay, everybody, I'm back. And here's the cake with all the yummy sugars and the drizzle. And this is a wonderful, wonderful cake. It's how to make an apple pie monkey bread. So we're gonna taste it right now. Just gonna do a very small piece because I really am trying to watch my calories. And then I have all this goodness. Oh, yum, look at that. Gotta get an apple. Oh, and then there goes Messy Marvin again, making a mess here. Geez, lately I've been making more messes. I must like to clean, not really. Okay, there's my piece right there. Doesn't that look yummy? So let's try it. A little bit of the biscuit and some apple. Great cinnamon and just a hint of nutmeg. Really good. Oh my, with a cup of tea, I'm all set on a cold day. Here it's, I just came back and it's 48 degrees and it's slightly drizzling and very cloudy. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up so YouTube can recognize I got some action going on over here on my channel. And if you haven't subbed, please do so. There's a little bell, a gray bell. Just hit that bell. You'll get all my notifications of live streams and videos that come out. And I guess that's it. Everything will be in the description box below. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless.